not see how I go through so many clothes in a week. I don't know. I can never get my clothes hung back up neither. So we're gonna go in my closet, see how junky it is, because it is junky. Hi you guys, my name is Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and we are here with the first part of making arrangements. If you guys don't know what it's about, go back and watch the first video. I'll link it up here below. But in the first video, we're talking about making arrangements. This will be a series that comes out once a month, and it's just going to be talking about, it's just going to be us. We're going to be in my lovely closet or whatever area in your house you're going to make it yours, and that's where you're going to display your beautiful flower arrangements every month, and you are going to read the book of the month with me, and we're just going to be working on ourselves. We're going to plan out our weeks. We're going to, because we're busy moms. Like I said, I'm a mommy, I'm a business owner, and I am a wife, and I do videos, a YouTuber. And so we are just busy. So we're gonna make arrangements for ourselves, okay? To make sure we are doing good. So anyway, this is the first phase of us putting together. It's a 4-phase before we get to just the part where we're just gonna be sitting in the closet every month, making, you know, doing our thing. But this is the first phase where I will be going out, going out and creating my closet. So today, you'll see with me, we're gonna go to IKEA, and we're gonna get the first part of the closet system. I'm using the Pax closet system. So we're going to go get it, and then we're going to go look at my closet, and you guys get to see how horrible it looks right now, because I do not see how I go through so many clothes in a week. I don't know. I can never get my clothes hung back up neither. So we're gonna go in my closet, see how junky it is, because it is junky, and we're going to see how junky it is, because I don't have place to put nothing. And then we're going to start on the first phase of my closet, okay? And that's like I was telling you in the other video, it's the part where the shoe rack will be and my sitting area. All right, so let us go. Okay, so we are now entering my closet, and yes, it is a mess. Yes, it is. But as you can see, it is a good mess. These are all the designer handbags and shoes that we just have piled up there. This is the shoe rack, and then just clothes. So we're starting on this section right here. So today you'll watch me as I kind of put these comforters that are right here. We're going to put them in a bag that I got from IKEA. I got some juice, and I'm just going to listen to an audible book. And so you guys, we're going to put this on fast motion, and let's get it done. Okay, so I don't know when the battery died, but I have put all my sandals in here. I still have all my shoes that I need to organize. These are just cheap little shoesies or whatever. My designer shoes and stuff are up here, but that will come at a later date. We have all this cleared, so this will be for the shoe case that we're going to do. Thursday, my chair comes, and we're going to move all these clothes right here. So these are clothes that have never been worn. And then this is my wedding dress and my cap and gown from, I think this is for my master's degree. And then those are just stuff for my wedding. And then this can go in the trash because it doesn't even work anymore. Our camera system, I was never able to log back into it, so it doesn't even work anymore. So we are ready. Hopefully tomorrow we can start putting together the, what is it called? The shoe rack. And then we could, like I said, Thursday we'll put in the, what is it called? The chair. And I'm going to put some floating shelves right there. I got to remeasure because I need to know exactly the size of the floating shelves that I need to get. IKEA had some for only, I think they were, how much was IKEA? I think they were like $25. But I think they were just like an inch too big. So we're going to see with that. So let's finish up with the second phase of everything. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this. I think when I build the shelving for this wall, because I think it takes, I think it was 3 or 4 of the pack large units. I think when I do that, I'm going to put like at the bottom where this can go for my dirty clothes. So I'm so excited, you guys. I'm going to show you the plans too in this video, and we'll go from there. Bye.